Hi, another lot, just quick video. So, kurust did it. That's it, it's ready to put the wheel back on now. And yeah, gone well actually. So, I have to get the kids from school now, so I still got to weld that bit in, but that's quite easy. So, that's the bit I'm chuffed with, because that was a bloody nightmare to get in. That's one I cut off from a different vehicle, and I grinded it all here down. So tomorrow it's this one's turn. This one's a lot worse. Terrible. It's a bit dark, can't really see. I'll show you can see it. That's all getting chopped out tomorrow. And the hard bit is that. Bloody annoying. But we'll suss it tomorrow. Not sure how I'm going to do that bit yet. But after learning from the last one, I'm probably just going to go straight on top of it rather than ripping that one out, because I think ripping it out made the whole job harder. So, thanks a lot. You're done for the day. Looks pretty solid though, actually. Quite chuffed with that.